Morning YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future. This is our family channel where we're spending more time with the family. We're doing healthy recipes, reviews, and all that kind of great stuff. Today we're going to be making a juice, a fresh juice that we have with our family so that we can live a little bit healthier and live a little bit longer. Also, when you're done juicing, you're going to get a lot of pulp. And the great thing about the pulp is you can actually turn it into breads, muffins, and donuts. Yesterday we made an apple carrot bread that my wife says she's ready to fight me for. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our juice. We've got one large apple, we've got one medium apple, we've got one pear, we've got one summer squash, and then we've got one 1 pound bag of carrots. And the great thing is it's super easy. If you've got a regular juicer, all you got to do is just put your pieces in manageable sizes. You don't actually have to like chop it up really small or anything like that. Just enough so that you can get it into the chute. Probably you don't want to put your carrots in the drawer. That wouldn't be good. But what you're going to do is you just chop them into manageable sizes, quick and easy, just like that. Okay? You turn it on. It might get a little bit loud, but what we're going to do is we're just going to throw them in there, get our juice out, and we're going to be ready to go. So you just flip the switch. Now the great thing about making your own fresh juice is there's no preservatives, there's no additives or anything like that. It's just quick and easy. You throw it right in there and there will never be anything healthier or more fresh because you made it here in your home. Now the great thing is you can actually get organic fruits and vegetables. You know, you can throw them in there and you can get really fresh, really good food that is unparalleled anywhere else. That one's trying to get away from me. Alright, so it's coming out with the last bit of juice. Once you get there, what you're going to do is just flip the top up and it is ready to go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to just mix this up slightly, just a little bit, so that we can get all the juices together. We're going to pour it in our glass and we'll show you the deliciousness that we've got. Alright, so we've got our glasses of fresh, delicious wholesomeness. And the great thing is you can share this with your family and you can give them a longer, healthier life, and it's going to be full of nutrients and deliciousness. So once again, thank you so much for watching. We Is the Future by The Green Cabbie. Me and my family are going to enjoy our juice this morning, and hopefully you can try it out and enjoy it for yourself. We'll talk to you later. If you get a chance, please subscribe, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Delicious.